Hi friends, in this video you will learn how to switch accounts on Gmail. So let's begin the video. And if you haven't subscribed the channel, please make sure that you subscribe the channel for more related videos. So let's start the video. First of all, you will go to your Gmail. Here is the Gmail. So these are the mails which we have received. So at the top there is written S. You can see at the top corner of the screen. You will simply tap on it. So here are the login accounts which we have logged in, like Said Ali Khan, SK Tech and Said Khan. So we will simply tap on the this account which you can see on the screen. You will simply tap on it and the account will be switched to the Said Ali Khan. Now you can see Said Khan 256 at gmail.com. If you then want to switch it, you will simply tap on it, and now you will simply tap on that account which you want to select, and now this account has been switched. So this is the simple process of switching the account on Gmail. So if you like the video, please subscribe the channel for more related videos. Thanks for watching.